Howdy, fret riders. I can't even. Hey there, Wayne Sorbelli here. Howdy, fret riders. Just too effed up. Alright, this is some easy strum practice. Something that's kind of meditative to you if it's easy, super easy, right? And it's something super useful if you're not used to doing it. So either way, I think you should watch along and strum along to it. A, D, E. Four beats per measure. We count A1, A2, A3, A4, A1, A2, A3, A4. Here, each measure is 4 beats long, and it's going to go like this. One measure of A, one measure of D, 2 measures of A, 2 measures of D, 2 measures of A. Then we have what's called the turnaround. 1 measure of E, 1 measure of D, 1 measure of A, and it ends 1 measure of E. That's 12 bars or 12 measures long, and the whole thing repeats from that point back starting at A again. Goes a little something like this. Let's start this really slow. A 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1. 4, an 8, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 2, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, 2, a 3, a 4. If you like this kind of content, subscribe and like. Thank you. Share. Oh, how do you get this to work?